Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we will be tackling about a topic that is essential for everyone who loves travels. Packing tips. Whether you are going on a weekend getaway, a business trip or a long vacation, packing can be a challenging task. It requires careful planning, smart choice and efficient techniques to make sure that you have everything you need without overpacking or taking up too much space. In this video, we'll be sharing some of our favorite tips and tricks for packing efficient and effectively so that you can enjoy your trip without any unnecessary stress or hassle. So let's get started. Make a packing list. By creating a packing list, you can also prioritize the items that you need to bring and avoid overpacking or bringing items that you won't need. This can help you to pack more efficiently and save space in your luggage. Additionally, a package list can be a helpful reference guide during your trip, especially if you need to repack your liquids or check that you haven't left anything behind in your hotel room. And here are some tips for making a packing list. Number 1, start early. Don't wait until the last minute to create your packing list. Start making a list at least a few days before your trips so that you have time to add or remove items as needed. Number 2, categorize items. Categorize other items on your packing list by type, example clothing, toiletries, electronics, and others, so that you can easily see what you need to pack and what you have already packed. Number 3, use a template. There are plenty of packing list templates available online that you can use as a starting point. Look for one that suits your need and customize it based on your specific destination, length of trip, and personal preference. Number 4, think about activities. Think about the activities you will be doing on your trip and make sure you have appropriate clothing and gear for each one. For example, if you are planning to go hiking, make sure to include comfortable shoes, a water bottle, and appropriate clothing. Number 5, check the weather. Check the weather forecast for your destination and pack accordingly. Don't forget to include items like a rain jacket or sunscreen, depending on the weather condition. Number 5, check. Number 6, consider your travel companions. If you're traveling with others, make sure to coordinate your packing list to avoid duplicating items or missing anything important. Number 7, use packing application. There are also many packing apps available that can help you create and manage your packing list. These apps can be especially helpful for longer trips or trips with multiple destinations. Number 2, roll your clothes. Rolling clothes instead of holding them is a popular packing technique that has many benefits. Here are some of the main advantages of rolling clothes. Number 1, save space. Rolling clothes can help you save space in your suitcase compared to folding them. Roll clothes take up less space and can be packaged from more efficiently in small space. This is especially full help if you are traveling with limited language space. Number 2, reduce wrinkles. Rolling clothes can also help reduce wrinkles compared to folding them. When clothes are folded, they create creases that can be difficult to remove. Rolling clothes, on the other hand, creates fewer creases and helps keep your clothes looking neat and wrinkle free. Number three, make it easier to see what is your suitcase. When clothes are folded, it can be difficult to see what inside your suitcase without unfolding everything. Roll clothes, however, make it easier to see what inside your suitcase and find what you need quickly. Number four, organize clothes. Rolling clothes also make it easier to organize your clothes by category or outfit. You can roll each item of clothing and group them together by type, making it easier to find what you need. I will be happy to demonstrate how to roll clothes. Here are some different methods for rolling different type of clothing. T-shirt and tops. Lay the t-shirt or top flat on a surface, front side up. Folding in the sides of the t-shirt so that the sleeves are against the body. Float the bottom of the shirt up about one third of the way. Starting at the bottom, roll the shirt tightly toward the collar. Pants. Fold the pants in half lengthwise. Fold in the crotch area and then fold in the sides so that the pants are about the width of the pant legs. Starting at the waistband, roll the pants tightly toward the ankle. Underwear and socks. Lay the item flat on a surface. Fold in half lengthwise and fold in half again. Starting at the folded end, roll the item tightly toward the open end. Dresses and skirts. Lie the item flat on the surface front side up. Fold in the sides so that the skirt or dress is the width of the waistband. Starting at the bottom of the dress or skirt, roll tightly toward the waistband. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are small, lightweight bags that are designed to help you to stay organized while packing. They come in different sizes and shape and are typically made of lightweight and durable material such as nylon or mesh. Packing cubes are useful for packing because they help you to compartmentalize your coat and other items. This means that you can spare different types of clothing, such as shirts, pants, and underwear, and keep them organized in your suitcase. By doing this, you can easily find what you need without having to dig through your entire suitcase. In addition to keep your clothes organized, packing cubes also compress your clothes which save space in your suitcase. This is especially useful if you are traveling with a carry-on bag or if you want to maximize the space in your jacket luggage. Tips number 4, pack heavy item at the bottom. Packing heavy item at the bottom of your luggage is a good strategy to ensure that your suitcase is stable and balanced. By placing the heaviest item, such as shoes or toiletries, at the bottom of your suitcase, you created a solid foundation that will prevent your luggage from tipping over or become unbalanced. In addition to providing stability, packing heavy items at the bottom also helps to protect your more delicate or fragile items. By placing a softer or more fragile items, such as clothing or souvenir, on top of the heavy items, you create a cushion that will help absorb any shock or impact that might occur during travel. Tips number 5, leaving extra space in your suitcase for souvenir or other items you might acquire on your trip. Leaving extra space in your suitcase is important for several reasons, especially if you're planning to bring back souvenir or other items you acquire during your trips. Number 1, flexibility. You never know what you might find on your trips, and leaving extra space in your suitcase gives you the flexible to purchase souvenir or other item without worrying about how you will fit them in your luggage. Tips number 2, avoid excess baggage fees. If you don't have extra space in your suitcase and end up buying more items than you can fit, you may have to pay excess package fees or even ship your item homes, which can be expensive and inconvenient. Tips number 3, protection of your souvenirs. If you do purchase a souvenir or other delicate items, having extra space in your suitcase allow you to pack them carefully and protect them during transit, reducing the risk of damage. Thank you for watching. I hope these packing tips will help make your travel smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more travel tips and insights. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more content with you in the future. Safe travel. See ya.